Do you want to make pop-up folder just like this? I'll show you how to make pop-up folder just like so. To make pop-up folder in your app library, just go to your app library, and now you have to just long press on an app and simply add the app into a folder, or just release the app in another app, and then you will see a pop-up folder already created. Now tap on the pop-up folder to open, tap on folder name, and you can rename the folder just like so. To add more apps into this pop-up folder, do the same thing. Just tap and hold the app you want to move, and just move the folder into the move the app into the folder just like so. And to remove any app from the pop-up folder, open the pop-up folder and long press on the app and just remove the app just like so. And that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.